Hi there, signs of Libra. This is Kim here to do a next 48-hour reading for you. Hope you're doing really good out there today. So the way that I do my readings with collective energies like this is, if you will, to get best connected with me, imagine this like divine white light, or visualize divine white light going through your chakras, kind of up and grounding you also. And I do the same, and we meet on that unified field there, connecting these energies. Okay, so what are we going to start with? I'm being drawn to this, the Modern Witch Tarot. Okay, so connecting with energies of divine white light love, right? Information for the sign of Libra. For the sign of Libra. Oh, the Lovers and the Two of Pentacles, both indicating a huge choice, decision to make at a crossroads, a huge decision, a choice of yours. Change too. Good, good. Oh. All right, messages please for sign of Libra, connecting with that divine white light. Queen of Wands in the reverse. Okay, there's something we're not wanting to take a risk on at this time, or feel conflicted about, still feel conflicted about. It's like a knowing of needing to walk into the fire, really, to put yourself out there, but still being conflicted, or still being drawn into conflict or situations like that where there's a lot of, it feels like aggression. What's the heart of the matter? Sorry for that. Or that's internal. Well, the heart of the matter is that, like, you know that you hold the key or the solution, the key to getting out of dark night of the soul energy. Be quite frank. Let's shake up my tiny tarot. I love it. I love it. We'll get clarifying cards as we go. Queen of Wands. We have the Nine of Wands. The Nine of Wands. Which is usually about perseverance, but it's the wounded soldier. Being wounded would be a reason why you wouldn't want to go back out in a fire if you're exhausted, for example. Tell me about the Nine of Swords. Exhausted of whatever this is going on. Okay, the sun is shining. The sun is trying to come out here. That's why the heart feels like it has an answer or solution, is because the sun is shining. Past energy, the Magician in the reverse, can feel like energy's trying to manipulate a situation, because I think that is what that is with that challenge of the Five of Swords. Now that I see the Magician in reverse, it's also other energies influencing how inspired you feel or not, you know. Oh, Five of Pentacles. Whew. Past energy of being in a tight either financial situation, or this is it could be a little bit of all causing some kind of depression, anxiety also. But that's what, at the heart of the matter, you're coming out of. It's a goal or destiny. Wow. See the way that flipped? An ending of some sort. Not an easy one, but it's something about the key, the solution. Excuse me, I'm drinking coffee. Please excuse me. Let me get another one. Ten of Swords. Oh my God, Ten of Swords. And I cannot see what I'm grabbing, by the way. These are just so small, and wow. Wow. A lot of swords, guys. What's this future energy? Queen of Swords, is the one making the decision, clearly communicating boundaries and endings in this reading in particular. And it's because there's a protective air about the Queen of Swords, where doing what's right by her family, by those underneath her, it has to be number one, and that's the direction that this Queen of Swords is going. There's even a rhyme and a reason to not taking a risk at this moment, and it's because of having this mentality, like, you know what you're doing, you know what you're thinking, you're very logical, you know what's good for you, what's good for others. Then there's something that's how do you feel? How does it feel? How does it feel to be? Da-da-da-da. Are we the same? How does it feel to be different from me? Are we the same? How does it feel? You feel, I don't know why I grabbed that right away, because I was going to do the Queen of Swords, but I don't feel like the Queen of Swords needs explaining. Like, I think she knows, like, that's enough explaining. She's the Queen of Swords. That's all she needs to be. Herself. That's it. It's the right answer. Could be feeling like something is literally crumbling, a commitment, somebody that had, or your commitment to whatever the energies you're wanting to end, or ending it with someone who messed up a commitment. King of Pentacles, possibly with you. King of Pentacles is normally like a committed husband-like energy, but gender is kind of, I would say that this is usually an energy that's kind of in charge of finances and make sure everything's okay, but something with the walls are just kind of, I feel like you, whatever you are cutting out is because you dealt with this energy of being uninspired and in a lack mentality, or having to always go through a struggle in the past, and like not, you're seeing what you're seeing the solution. The sun is shining a solution on your prayers. Makes sense. Neptune being lit up by the sun current. Like, that makes sense. Your prayers, your wishes, being illuminated. Not always easy. Tell me about in the environment. There's that change. It's an energy of waiting to, like, seize the day. My Lord, look at all this. Swords. Change. I see change. You do have choices and decisions, because we saw the Lover's energy and the Two of Pentacles. There's going to be something or someone that comes in rather quickly, looking like seizing an opportunity after something has a complete ending here. Look, complete. Ten of Swords twice. Tell me something else about the, okay. Been waiting. It's for this moment. It's for this seize the day moment. Been waiting. Yeah, to take initiative going forward. King and Queen of Swords. It could be a King of Swords energy. Just kind of waiting. Wanting to seize the day. This could be a friend at the time, or it could be a resonance with, like, the intelligence and thoughts, and being very like, okay, well, does this make sense? These energies get along real well, but there's something about that's waiting. Super good friends. Divine coupling for Queen of Swords and King of Swords. Change. What's the hope or fear? Pessimism. Feeling like something could get worse, or not wanting something to get worse. It's the Three of Swords. A not so hopeful situation. A fear of putting it in the past. Heartbreak. sadness, loss, outcome. Ace of Cups. I always get 2 for my outcome, by the way. Always. And the Chariot. Seriously? 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 Ace of Cups and the Chariot? Wow. This is a loving new beginning, and it's love on many levels and many streams. It's a gift from the universe of outpouring, overpouring love, the most you can have in this human form. Literally has the innocence of everything. I think you just don't want a heartbreak, like a pessimistic look on something from the get-go, and you don't want that to repeat. I think that's the fear here, because this energy, really strong. The Chariot and the Ace of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And the solution is this enlightenment with the colors, the awareness, the balance. It can be talking about trip, travel, loving experiences, and a lot of fun. I see a lot of fun with that. Why am I still pulling from this? Let's pull from another deck. This is something that if you thought that something was not gaining momentum, it's like the moment this Queen of Swords makes a certain decision to go in a certain direction, the moment the Queen of Swords cuts out these huge endings. Forgive, new perspective, getting over fears of starting afresh, and then something that just speeds up. Speeds up. I was kind of afraid of what this outcome was going to be, but it's good. It's good. Really, I could just end it right here, I think. But I'm going to ask a little bit more about the focus on the solution. It's easier said than done. Oh, just end this. Just walk away from this. Easier said than done. Change. A move. Travel. Movement. Car. Travel. Change. Movement. Okay, what else about, yeah, 999 also, look up 999. Courthouse. S, the initial S. Official person. 36, distant horizons. Somebody waiting. Possibly to make something official with you, whether that be a romantic new thing or a business partnership that is going to have loving tendencies to it. This is like making something official in the right ways. A lot of intelligence here. I have the privileged lady. Why is it coming out like that? Why are you coming out like that? I'm going to use the siren song now. Hang on. The key. I thought that King of Swords had the key, or had a key, some kind of interesting knowledge. And who is this from? Hello. That's my mom, angel mom. Tell me about the privileged lady. Past. Justice. Libra, 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 Libra. Your energy all over the place. Whoa. Good gentleman. And house. Good gentleman, an older person, maybe a father figure, a mentor. Sees some kind of lack and has concern for it, involving this, what would normally be a privileged lady, or somebody that normally would like be okay or have something given to them in a sense. Not bad. Like, I'm not saying that bad. I just want to get that across. I'm not saying that bad. I have disappointment over theft or loss, or somebody said that they can't take from you anymore. That they can't take from you more, and maybe parting ways, some kind of despair, sadness over that. Adjudication in reverse. What else? About how you're feeling. Like there's an ending. Oh, an ending of you feeling trapped or imprisoned in an energy of take, lack, anger, aggression. An ending to lack. And worry. Maybe even a marriage coming together. Again, it could be business too, but we have the Ace of Cups. Marriage coming together. So I tied up my linen with 5 ribbon I find. Cause my mind is a prison and I'm never gonna be. Occupation change. For some, occupation change, whatever the solution is that you have found, or whatever you'd been depressed or heavy on your heart about finding a solution for, it felt like a mountain, an obstacle that was going to be very hard to climb, right? And you know what I see though? The 4 Pentacle reverse next to the mountain. I see the mountain crumbling just by your faith. By your faith alone. Ace of Cups, Chariot. Tell us. Mature man. Ooh. Wanting to help you come out of a situation where you felt desperate. There's a need that you're needing to meet for yourself. False person. Wasn't what you're expecting. And a child energy or new beginning with some kind of with maybe something to do with your occupation. Somebody disguising who they are because they're wanting to help you in a new version of you. That's very, yes, that's the truth, and it's full of vitality and something brand new that the Sun, the Divine, wants to give to you to experience. Coming in from a loving place, this is a loving interest to see you shine the most you can. It might even just be that, because we have a really strong friend and professional tie, strong bond, but really just wanting to see happiness in your life during a time, and clear up the clouds, clear up the confusion, get something going, good news, movement on the way, movement. Have faith. The Cross. Yeah, guys, so that's what I got. Wow, that's a beautiful energy, isn't it? We'll pull some tea leaves now, and my Oracle of Genetic Gifts, I actually got that off of Etsy, so we'll pull from that too, and some angel numbers. So this is the Oracle part, essentially, is what I'm trying to say. You have captured the heart of somebody you don't even know. Who. Doesn't look like. A journey, either physical or mental. Carriage, just like the Chariot. Bread, a period of prosperity and abundance. Seahorse, family matters. A bull, do not back down from the opposition. Yeah, like, not only might it not crumble, but if it doesn't crumble, the mountain has a road there and you're already on the road. So the mountain road, you're on the road to success. Bull, do not back down from opposition. Show strength and fortitude. Inkpot, problems that need to be resolved. Oh, but you're going to get it because you're on target. A goal-oriented person. Target, hitting your target. It looks like the wheel here too. Fortune, fate, something turning in the right direction. Finally. Cobweb, protected from negative forces beyond your control. I like that one. Vulture, depression or anxiety, worry someone is against you, but you're coming out of that energy, by the way. 4-leaf clover, yay, great, or good fortune. Mule, somebody extremely stubborn and unwilling to change, and then this could represent that, the scissors could represent the coffin and the ending of situation, disappointment, some affair. But I have spiritual love on the bottom, so it's a very strong love being brought together by a spirit. All right, Oracle of Genetic Gifts, life path number 5. There's 3 spirit Akashic records I saw, past, present, future, all energy that vibrates there. I've read these cards a lot, and so. Clairaudient, clear hearing. 4. Ascension number 4. The warmth, ether, senses being realigned. And 14. Practicality. Life path number 1. The pioneer, ruling planet, the sun. Using your mind, logic. Yes. That's what it's all about. Energy healer, Reiki, chakra healer, crystal healer, healing touch. There's your Akashic field. All information, power, energy, and experiences vibrate here. Yoga instructor, body and mind. Soul number, numerical symbol for what your heart desires, which you can find in your numerology if you just look up your numerology. It helps to look at your birth certificate so you can know what time you're born, and then you can know all exactly your moon signs, stuff like that. Blogger platform, employee spiritual services, astral projection, out-of-body experience or OBE, teleportation, an author, spiritual experiences, guidance and healing. Another 4. Look at this. Spiritual services. 4. You're on the right path. You might be pioneering something regarding your occupation. 4. You bring stability and rationality to any situation. You're the rock, and your hard work and perseverance make you a dependable friend, partner, and colleague. I am stable. Number 4. 20. I am harmonious. You relate to others on almost a cosmic level. You are dedicated to building harmonious relationships of all kinds and have the ability to persuade others to your point of view by using gentle means. I am harmonious. So that is what I've got for you. I'm sending you much love. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Be notified if you need a private reading. That's in the description box below. So until next time, bye-bye.